Hey guys, just a quick video. Pulled out the Audi S7 airbag, changing out the steering wheel and the airbag cover. Unfortunately, this little sucker was different than every single video that's out there. So I kind of had to figure it out myself, which really sucked. But basically, you're going to take off these 3 bolts right here. First things first, you're going to pop this out right here, and then on this back side under your main steering wheel harness, you're going to take off this guy right here, which is your ground. Those are the only 2 I saw that actually needed to be removed. Now everyone else has a little string. This guy has this, full-on like piece of canvas right here. So what I found that worked was taking these guys out. I should switch to left-hand hold on the camera here because this is a pain in the ass. I'm a right-handed dude. And bear with me because I'm just tossing this up here. I'm not gonna edit this video, so you can skip ahead a little bit, but you're gonna take out these 3. And there are springs behind them. Now, when you get those out, you can kind of just pull this off to the side. And this is a significant little canvas strap. You're not going to hurt anything by just keeping that off to the side. So then you're going to have 1, 2, and 3. You're just going to take your screwdriver, pop up on these things. I'll go ahead and pop one up just so you guys can see, because this is basically the principle for all of these. And you're going to pop this up enough that you can actually push this back and under it. So I don't want to do it too much because I don't want to stress that metal out, but there you go. So once that's able to get under that, you're going to come around to the sides and you're going to pull out each one of these guys. You'll probably have a manufacturer OEM sticker on there you're going to have to take off like I did, but there's several other ones. So everywhere you have a tab here, you're going to have to pull those off on the side, pull them out pretty good, and then the whole airbag assembly is going to come off with your cover, and all these pieces are still going to be connected. Then you'll have your detonation device itself that comes out with the metal piece here, and I just kind of laid that off, all of it off to the side for a hot minute, and then replaced everything there, and was able to put the airbag back into the new one, get it all the way pressed down in there, and then push it back up, and then voila. Hope that helps you guys.